Now next, method overriding. See, method overriding is just nothing but redefining parent class method in a child class. Means there may be a requirement that we want some specific implementation of the parent class method in a child class. Okay, there may be requirement that some specific implementation of a parent class method in our child class. So if you define parent class method in a child class with some specific implementation, then that concept is called as a method override. Okay, means like see here in example, there is a class animal. Now this class contains this speak method where we are just printing speaking. Now there is a child class of this animal class, that is dog, and inside this dog class we rewrite this method once again, speak. Now see, when you are saying redefining, it means that whatever parameters we are sending to this speak function should remain same over here also. Okay, so inside this speak method we are just giving some different implementation of speak method. Okay, so this is known as a method overriding. Dog class overrides speak method of animal class. Other words, you can say child class overrides method of a parent class here. See how we can say it here. Here we are defining one class, suppose say shape, which contains two dimensions that we are initializing by using init method. Here we are defining two dimension d1, d1 to d2. Then we are writing one area method. Now here, as we don't know exact shape, so we can't define this method, so we are just printing something like no area or something like this. Okay, next suppose say there is a class rect, which is a child of this shape class. So now here you can see we can't go with this area method. Okay, we can't go with this area method because we having idea of shape now, that is rectangle, so we can define area method once again in rect class here. So that is what is meant by overriding here. So here first we'll write down constructor with two parameters. To this super method we invoke parent class constructor, and now here we are overriding this area method and printing here area is equal to self.d1 into dot d2. So this is what is meant by method overriding. This is what is meant by method overriding. Redefining parent class function inside, redefining parent class method in the child class is known as method override. So rect class overrides area method of a shape class here. Here we can create object of rect and we can say t dot area will print output here. Now in child class, suppose if you want to access parent class method, so problem is that you can't say directly area. Okay, you can't directly say area because whenever you say area it will refer to this area method. Okay, so in that case we can take the name of class dot area. So this way you can access parent method in a child class in case of conflict. If there is no conflict you can directly access it, but if suppose there is a name conflict, then in that case to make specific invocation of parent class method you can say parent class name dot method name. Okay, so this is what is meant by method override.